Hi guys, so today I want to take some BuzzFeed quizzes because I was really bored, and so I was thinking, you know what, let's do this. So the first one we have is they're gonna decide what age I am by the color characters I pick in Disney. So let's start with the first question. It is pick a blue character: Sadness, the Genie, Stitch, Dory, Hades, or Sully. I picked Dory. Pick a red character: Queen of Hearts, Anger, Mashu, Lightning McQueen, Gaston, or Lago. Anger. Pick a green character: Mike Wazowski, Pascal Tafiti, Aliens, Disgust, or whatever that is. I don't know how to pronounce that. Pascal. Pick an orange character: Oliver, Nemo, Scar, Tigger, King Louie, or Nick Wilde. Pick a purple character: Ursula, Fear, Cheshire Cat, Randall, Zima, or Madame Mitten. I don't know half of these characters, so I'm just gonna pick Ursula. Pick a yellow character: Flounder, Jane, Ducky, Joy, Winnie the Pooh, or Lumiere. Winnie the Pooh. Pick a pink character: Phil, Bing Bong, Piglet, Ham, Mary, Charlotte, LaBeouf. I don't know who that is. I'm gonna say Piglet. They said I'm 14. I am not 14, by the way, guys. I am actually 12. So, I don't know what they're gonna do about that, but they are incorrect. They say, you might be older, but you still feel like you're 14. You're ambitious, but can feel insecure at times and frequently find yourself getting caught up in drama. But you're on your way to leading a life full of adventure and excitement. No. Okay. Let's do the next quiz. It is, we know if you're more Taylor Swift or Ariana Grande based on the Christmas gifts you buy. Okay, buy some new clothes. This skirt. Okay, the sweater though is cute. So is this one. I like this. Buy an electronic: iPhone, AirPods, laptop, Apple Watch. AirPods. Buy some bedroom decor: fairy lights. I'd say this. Lastly, buy something else for your bedroom: a mirror. I got Ariana Grande! I was hoping so, because Ariana Grande is like my queen. She's my queen. She's iconic. She's awesome. So how is she not gonna be? Okay. Next we have everyone's personality matches a miraculous ladybug character. Here's yours. Okay, so how would your best friends describe you? Shy, chill, bold, energetic. I would say chill. What is your worst attribute? Jealous, stubborn, dramatic, rebellious. Stubborn. Pick a side character: Alex, Max, Miss Bustier, or Rose. Alex. Pick an object: a cell phone, headphones, Converse, or purse. Cell phone. Pick a piece of jewelry: ring, earrings, necklace, bracelet, ring. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Flying, mind control, X-ray vision, or invincibility? Mind control. Choose your favorite dinner: lasagna, pie thai, lobster roll, or pizza. Pizza. Pick a color: purple. Pick a hobby: designing. Pick an outfit. Pick your favorite French superhero: Cat Noir. Finally, what's your best quality? Loyal, funny, friendly, hardworking. Funny. Nina Lafay. Okay. Next we have, which Victoria's character do you vibe most with? What is your favorite movie genre? Indie films, romantic comedy, comedy, science fiction, animated, or horror? Comedy. Which class would you most likely to take at Hollywood Arts? R&B, vocals, drama, songwriting, screenwriting, costume design, tech theater. costume design. How would your friends describe you? Passionate, sweet, unique, charismatic, awkward, rational. Awkward. What is your favorite genre of music? Pop. What is your favorite song from Victorious? Finally Falling. LA Boys, Song to You, Forever Baby, Begging on Your Knees, You Don't Know Me. LA Boys. Who is your favorite side character? Andre's grandma, Trina Vega, Psychowitz, Lane, St. John Van Cleef, or Rex? Andre's grandma. What is your favorite Disney show? Hannah Montana, definitely. Who is your favorite character from iCarly? Tebow, Carly, Spencer, Sam, Gibby, Freddie, Sam. Finally, what's your favorite Victorious episode? The bird scene, Robert Rotsy, Andre's horrible girl, Tori fixes Beck and Jay, Beck's big break, or the Diddly Bops? Tori fixes Beck and Jade. I got Tori Vega. Alright, I'm not mad at it. Okay, next is everyone has a Disney soulmate. Tell us the story of your love to reveal your match. Okay. Where do you meet your special someone? I don't know. At the hot tub, after laps at the pool. At the greenhouse while picking out new plants. At the arcade while playing skee-ball. At baggage claim at the airport. At their stand at the farmer's market. At the bar while ordering a drink. At a bookstore while attending a book signing. At the lake while out paddleboarding. I don't know. I don't have a special someone. I don't have like a romantic link or anything like that. And I'm not like with anybody. I guess at the lake while paddleboarding. Okay. Start out with a dinner date. Netflix and a home cooked meal. Take us to a dinner theater. Hot dogs and s'mores over a fire after a hike, the new vegan restaurant in town, burgers at a cool 50s dinner, dim sum at a little local joint, local fish and chips shop, tapes and drinks at a night spot. Out of all of these, I feel like hot dogs and s'mores would be really fun. Choose a Valentine's gift to receive. Beautiful frame they've made themselves. A piece of local art. Hydronic planter. Mini smoothie maker. A new scarf. Flowers. New bag. Mini vintage popcorn machine. Yeah, I want popcorn. I love popcorn. And choose a gift to give to them. First edition of their favorite book. New video games, pull-up bar for a doorway, good bottle of wine, personalized passport and luggage tags, new tool, fishing gear, hiking backpack. I don't know, it depends on their personality. I guess maybe the first edition of their favorite book or new video games. First edition of their favorite book. Choose some Valentine's plans. Food truck festival and outdoor movie, box seats to a major sporting event, late night at the zoo event and dinner, couples dance lessons and drinks, kayaking and picnic on the beach, retro roller disco and pizza, walk and sunset picnic in the park, art gallery tour, and a great dinner. Well, if it's for Valentine's Day, then it's gonna be too cold to go kayaking, depending on where you live. Same with the walking. I don't want to do that in winter. So, maybe roller disco, even though I don't know how to do roller skates or anything like that. Late night at the zoo. How about that? Where will you settle down together? Jamaica, New Zealand, Thailand, Miami Beach, Florida, Colorado, Scotland. None of these seem interesting to me. I don't like water. I don't like the ocean. It scares me because I don't like hurricanes or tsunamis. or floods or something like that. Then again, all these mountains can be like a landslide and stuff. And then Scotland, or I guess I could probably pick one of these with the ocean. There's like a lot of stuff that happens in the ocean. No, I'm gonna pick this place because it just looks normal. How do they propose? As a prize when you beat them at go-karting, over a picnic at Shakespeare in the Park, on a horseback ride to a special lookout spot, while on a special vacation, after singing your favorite song at a karaoke bar, taking a romantic sunset sail after the finish line after doing 1.5 marathon, while on a scavenger hunt they set up for you. Horseback ride. Pick a joint wedding gift. Mountain bikes, designer luggage, surfboards, season tickets for the opera, couple massages for a year, outdoor kitchen, rescue some shelter pets instead, pinball machine, rescue pets, yeah. Choose a honeymoon, going to Aquaventure, a water park in Dubai, learning to sail in French, snorkeling with reef sharks in the Bahamas, heck no. Whitewater rafting in Switzerland, going on a Big 5 safari in Tanzania, I don't know where that is, camping in, I don't know how to say any half of these words, okay. Going on a road trip to see the castles of Germany and Austria. Why do like all of these have to do with like water? I'm definitely not going to sharks, that's for sure. And I ain't going on this bridge. This bridge looks sketchy. And I don't want to sail. I don't want to go whitewater rafting, but maybe. So, I'm gonna do going a road trip to see the castles of Germany. How many questions are there? Is this the last one? Okay. Yeah, it is. And finally, pick a first event to host together. Halloween costume and dance party, trivia and board game night, taco party, video game tournament, group camping trip and a bonfire, adult obstacle course, heck no. Pool party, day to plant a community garden. Pool party or camping would be cool. Any, mini, money, mo. Could you take your bias help if you how to let it go? Any, mini, money, mo. Pool party. Tarzan. Ew. I don't like Tarzan. He's ugly. I'd rather have like Kristoff or something like that from like Frozen. So, yeah, that will be all today that I have for you guys because I already did a lot, and this is a lot of work, and my brain hurts now. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye!